Welcome once again. In the website of the Dreams online class, firstly you have to move to the website, that is onlineclass.dreamskolkata.com. That's the domain or the link. Now I will show you how to enroll into a course. Firstly you have to log in. So I am giving the user ID, the password, and the 4 plus 1 is a 5. So I am logging firstly into the website. After the login, I will remain at the home page. And on the home page, you will find a tab, and that is a course. Whenever you bring the cursor to that particular tab, you will find the list where there is a courses for class 11 board exam preparation. That's in the physics, chemistry, math, and biology. This is the class 12 board exam preparation for the physics, chemistry, maths, and biology. This is the 2-year joint entrance course preparation course for the student of class 11. And here is the 2 years. No, it is a 1-year joint entrance course preparation for the class 12 students and the repeater student or first-year student. So you can move any option. Suppose I am moving to the option that the board exam preparation course of class 12. No right click will be allowed in this website. It will completely protected. So you cannot copy anything. You just go to page by page. So this is the course. Firstly, you will find the presentation video. The presentation video is also important because you have to know the process first. In there, you will find the details of the courses. This is the class 12 biology board. This is the class 12 mathematics. This is the class 12 chemistry. And this is the class 12 physics. Here is a sign. Here is a sign. That's the love sign. If you click on it, this course will be on your wish list test course. That's mean in future, if you want to purchase this course, then you can purchase and it will be found in your course profile, and there is a tab of wish list. Now, if you want to purchase or want to see the details of the course, just click on any course. Suppose it is the class 12 chemistry board exam. Whenever you will click on a course, you will enter into the course details. And this is the course details for me. Here is some tabs. First is the overview. Here is the video or the presentation or the details of the process of this course. Now here is the number of lecture is already added. Number of quiz, that means the short test is already added. The language, the English and Bengali. The number of students which is allotted in that course. The certificate, is there any certificate? No, there is no certificate. And the assessment is a self-assessment. That's mean assessment of you. So this is the features. Now if you move to the instructor. The instructor means who are the instructor of this course. And here is the review. If you like this course, give the review. That will be helpful for the other students also. And here is the most important tab, which is the curriculum. If you click on the curriculum tab, you will find the details. And this is the details of the course. And this I sign is showing that you can preview or you can access this lesson only without registration or enrollment. So, and the list of the lesson will not be accessible to you until you will enroll into the courses. So, firstly, one thing you have to know that first whenever you have to see any course, you have to just click on it. And if I click on it, I will move into that lesson. Into that lesson, you can find the details. So this is the lesson, the concept and theory of a chapter of the solution. And here is a video, and you can play the video, and the video will be on. And after completing a particular lesson, you have to click on complete. But the no complete tab is here because you have not enrolled in the course till now. So if I back into the course, there is a cross marks at the right hand corner. So you have to just click on the cross marks and you will move to the course again. So now again I am moving to the curriculum, and this course have a payment of 5,000, but now it's free for you. So just click on take this course, and whenever you will take this course, you will be enrolled into the course. Now after enrolling into the course, you will find that all the lesson will be visible for you. Now I am moving. This is the number of days remaining for this course, and this is all the lesson are now visible to you.